Hello guys, welcome to the current affairs most probable question and answer for CLAT 2020 and other law entrance examinations. So let's start our work right away for the day. Recently IMD का full form मुझे comment section में नीचे बताइए, has announced that cyclone Bulbul will turn into a very severe cyclone. तो basically आपका question क्या है कि ये कौन से cyclone से reborn हुआ है, ठीक है? And the correct answer will be मैतमो. और जो साइक्लोन बुलबुल है वो कहाँ किस जगह पे हिट अप हुआ था? तो सबसे पहले वियतनाम, देन बांग्लादेश एंड देन वेस्ट बंगाल. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटी, नॉट कंट्री बट सिटी, इज होस्ट फॉर 11th ब्रिक समिट? तो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ब्रासीलिया. ठीक है, आपको मुझे बताना है कि ये कौन से कंट्री में आया है. ठीक है, आई एम वेटिंग. Which of the following country has topped Georgetown University's Institute for Women, Peace and Security Index? And here the correct answer will be Norway. ठीक है? Samudra Shakti is a joint naval bilateral maritime exercise between India and Indonesia. याद रखना, समुद्र शक्ति. Recently, who among the following has been elected as the president of UAE? Here the correct answer will be Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. ठीक है? Who among the following has won the Gemcon Young Literature Award at Dhaka Literature Fest 2019? He is none other than Abhishek Sarkar, who hails from West Bengal. Again, ठीक है? Who among the following has become the first Indian male cricketer to play 100 T20s? The current stand-in captain Rohit Sharma. ठीक है? India has recently built Mathadish building of Sri Buddha Nilkantha Narayan Temple. This temple is located in Nepal. और दूसरा फैक्ट इसके बारे में कि the name suggests that Buddha Nilkantha Narayan Temple, but it is not associated with Buddha, it is associated with Narayan, Lord Vishnu. उनका जो कॉस्मिक सर्पेंट के ऊपर लेइंग पोस्चर है वो सिंगल रॉक से कार्व आउट किया गया है, एंड इट इज ब्यूटीफुल इमेज. यू शुड गूगल इट अप. ठीक है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मूवीज विल बी स्क्रीन्ड फॉर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पर्संस एट IFFI, इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया? द करेक्ट आंसर इज yes, MS Dhoni, Costa di Confucio and Lagan. So here 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. DIN system of Central Board of Indirect Taxes will come into existence. Okay, so DIN में I किसके लिए stand करता है? That is your question. तो I stands for identification and DIN stands for documentation in identification number. Okay. Meenakshi temple pilgrims will be offered free laddu as prasad. The temple is located in which of the following Indian state? The correct answer will be Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, Meenakshi temple. Who among the following has been named for the Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award 2019? Shanta Gokhale. Who among the following claims victory in prime ministerial election of Mauritius? The answer will be Pravinder Jagannath. ठीक है? और what is the capital of Mauritius? The answer will be Port Louis, beautiful city. In November 2019, EXIM, Export Import Bank of India, has provided a 30 million line of credit to which of the following African country for potable water project? ठीक है? तो घाना को इंडिया की EXIM बैंक ने ये क्रेडिट लाइन एक्सटेंड की थी. ठीक है? Which of the following statement is not correct? यहां पर आपसे क्या पूछा गया है कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है रिगार्डिंग द राम मंदिर वर्डिक्ट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. देखते हैं. द डिस्प्यूटेड साइट हैज बीन गिवन टू राम जन्मभूमि न्यास एंड द सेंटर हैज बीन आस्क्ड टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द टेंपल. दिस इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, सो ये हमारे अंदर नहीं आएगा. Suitable land of 5 acres to be handed over to Sunni Waqf board at a prominent place for building the mosque. This is also right, so ये incorrect नहीं है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट gave 1/3 of the disputed land to निर्मोही अखाड़ा. अब ये हाई कोर्ट वाले जजमेंट में था, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजमेंट ने उसको नलिफाई कर दिया है. सो दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट अमॉन्ग दिस 4. फोर्थ भी देख लेते हैं. सेंटर टू फेम स्कीम विद इन 3 months एंड सेट अप अ ट्रस्ट फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द टेम्पल. दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट, बेसिकली बारिंग द VHP फ्रॉम एनी डिसीजन मेकिंग इन द ट्रस्ट. ठीक है. Which of the following cities host for Sanskrit Bharati Vishwa Sammelan 2019 and it has been hosted in New Delhi. According to the recent maternal mortality ratio released by Registrar General of India, MMR of India for the year 2015 to 17 stands at 122 per lakh live births. This much women die while giving birth, MMR. Which of the following city is the host for World Para Athletic Championship 2019? The correct answer will be Dubai. Para Athletics, please remember that. Recently, Tejaswini Sawant won India's 2020 Olympic quota and she hails from which sport? The answer will be shooting. Who among the following has inaugurated the करतारपुर कॉरिडोर एंड इंटीग्रेटेड चेक पोस्ट? नाउ रिमेंबर ये इंडियन साइड्स पे किसने इनॉग्रेट किया था, ये आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा गया एंड द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नरेंद्र मोदी, अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर 2019 ब्रिक्स समिट? इट इज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ फॉर इनोवेटिव फ्यूचर. नेशनल एजुकेशन डे इज ऑब्जर्व एवरी ईयर ऑन. द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी 11th November, कमेमोरेटिंग द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद. ठीक है, इन्होंने एजुकेशन की फील्ड में बहुत किया था उस टाइम के लिए. बेसिकली ही वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ आईएनसी फॉर द ईयर 1923 to 24 एंड फ्रॉम 1940 to 1946. सो क्रिप्स मिशन से लेके जो भी सारे 1940 का अनाउंसमेंट था, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट वाज हेल्ड अंडर हिज प्रेसिडेंटशिप. ओके, coming to the next question. Environment Ministry has given environment clearance to IOC Limited to set up a new 2G ethanol plant in which of the following districts of Haryana? The correct answer will be Panipat. Your work is to let me know कि जो 2G है second generation और 3G है the third generation ethanol plant, उसमें फर्क क्या है? Let me know in the comment section. ठीक है. Recently, Angadveer Singh Bajwa has secured a quota for Tokyo Olympics. He is associated with which of the following sports? So from the image, it's quite evident that he is associated with shooting. Who among the following has become the first Indian male to claim a hat-trick in T20? And the answer will be Deepak Chahar. आपको मुझे ये बताना है कि इसके साथ साथ उन्होंने एक और फीट अचीव की थी. वो फीट क्या थी? सेम मैच. ओके. Who among the following was the first Indian to take hat-trick in T20s? Here the question is first Indian, not first male Indian, and the correct answer to this will be Ekta Bisht. Former Chief Election Commissioner T.N. Sachin passed away. He was known for which of the following reforms in Indian election? तो enforcing limits on poll expenses, yes, ये इनके टेन्योर के अंदर ये लाए थे. Banning on bribing voters, yes, इनके टेन्योर के अंदर ये बैन भी किया गया था. Basically, our constitution maker does not assume that we will stoop to that low level that we will bribe the voters. So, ये एक written document में इसको बैन करने के लिए इनके टेन्योर में ये लाया गया था. Ban on the use of loudspeakers, yes. So, the correct answer will be all of these. Okay. In November 2019, Chief Justice of India, Justice Ranjan Gogi, released dashed version of book Courts of India past to present. So he released the book in Assamese version. NCR Assam को लेके बहुत ही मतलब उस वक्त boiling था. Please remember that too. Who among the following is leading the Indian delegation at BRICS Trade Ministers Meet? So it is none other than Mr. Piyush Goyal. The world is celebrating the birth anniversary of first Sikh Guru and founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev. He was born in the year 1469. The world's first, now remember it is the world's first, not India's first, CNG port terminal and it will be built at Bhavnagar, Gujarat. In November 2019, who among the following has been nominated to the Parliamentary Standing Committee PSC on Finance in place of Digvijay Singh? So Manmohan Singh was nominated in place of Digvijay Singh. Please remember that. In November 2019, Justice A.P. Sahi has been sworn in as Chief Justice of which of the following High Court? Madras. Okay. Who among the following has become the youngest Indian to score internationally 50, breaking the 30-year record of Sachin Tendulkar? And the correct answer will be Shefali Verma. Sundar Singh won a gold in World Para Athletic Championship. किस sport के लिए? It will be javelin throw. World Kindness Day is observed every year on 13th November. Recently, Evo Morales arrived in Mexico to take up political asylum. Basically, ये already 2004 से president थे वहाँ के. He has already got approximately 15 years of presidency under the belt. जब 2019 के इलेक्शन आए तो अपोजिशन लीडर्स ने उनके ऊपर ये इल्जाम लगाया कि he has not won the election fair and square. उसके बाद काफी बड़ा अनरेस्ट हुआ. उसके बाद पुलिस चीफ ने बोला कि he should resign. After that मिलिट्री चीफ ने बोला कि मतलब ये स्टेबिलिटी और एक पीसफुल एनवायरमेंट सिक्योर करने के लिए इन्हें रिजाइन करना पड़ेगा. एंड फाइनली he had to fled his own country and he fled to Mexico to take the political asylum. ठीक है. So he was the president of Bolivia. Okay. Tiger Trump is a joint humanitarian assistance and disaster relief (HADR) exercise between India and United States of America. ये जो हाउडी इवेंट हुआ था टेक्सास में हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर का, वहां पर ट्रंप और पीएम मोदी ने एक साथ ये अनाउंसमेंट किया था. ओके. Recently, President rule has been imposed in Maharashtra. Who among the following is the current governor of Maharashtra? And the correct answer will be Bhagat Singh Koshyari. ठीक है. World Diabetes Day is observed every year on 14th November. Children's Day in India is observed every year on 14th November to mark the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of independent India, of course. He was born in the year 1889. Who among the following was the first activist to raise the issue of CJI's office falling within right to information ambit? ठीक है. इसके ऊपर अभी जजमेंट आया कि सीजीआई ऑफिस भी राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन के एक्ट के बाहर नहीं है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी SC अग्रवाल. रिसेंटली जॉइंट फील्ड ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज 2019, जो एक्सरसाइज का नाम था एक्सरसाइज डस्ट लेक 2019, कंक्लूड हुआ. तो ये इंडिया और कौन से कंट्री के बीच की जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज है? द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी उज्बेकिस्तान. तो ये थोड़ा ऑड है, इसलिए उसको याद रखना प्लीज. Exercise Dust Link 2019 was between India and Uzbekistan. Which of the following country has bagged the first position at BRICS Young Scientist Forum? And the correct answer here will be India. Ravi Prakash, a young eminent scientist of India, was presented this award. इन्होंने क्या discover किया था? Basically, he invented milk chilling units which can be used by medium and small farmers to get the productivity up, ताकि वो प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट ना हो और उनकी इनकम के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट ना आए. ठीक है. Remember the name too. In November 2019, which of the following city will host the international conference on yoga for heart care? ठीक है. And the correct answer will be Mysore. In November 2019, which of the following states or UTs will organize the 11th edition of Maitri Divas? Maitri Divas basically सिविल और मिलिट्री के बीच में जो फ्रेंडशिप का एक टोकन रिप्रेजेंट करता है वो है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर हियर विल बी अरुणाचल प्रदेश. In November 2019, Justice Mohammad Rafi took oath as the Chief Justice of which of the following High Court? And the correct answer will be Meghalaya High Court. Who among the following has become the first Indian trustee to be elected to the board of New York's Metropolitan Museum of Art? Here the correct answer will be Neeta Ambani. Okay, so with this we conclude our session over here. This entire session was brought to you by ProTalent Academy. We thank you for watching and you can access all our resources. ये PPT अगर आपको डाउनलोड करनी है या उसको रिवाइज करना है सिर्फ PPT के लिए, तो you can go to www.protalentdigital.com. वहां पर 10 दिन के लिए this website will be completely free to you, all the resources. So make the best out of it. Thank you very much. See you in the next session.